Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now this question is really interesting because it focuses on a concept which generally we will observe this type of questions in competitive programming. Okay, so what this question is about, let's dive straight into the question first, and then I will tell you like what is different about this question and the questions that we have been doing previously. Okay, so basically we are given an integer n, okay, and we need to create an array of n length where the summation of the whole array is equal to 0. The question is really simple, okay, but the implementation that's a little different. And one thing that we need to take care is that the thing, okay, so the thing that make this question quite similar to what we have in most competitive programming and those questions is that this question can have multiple answers, okay, and all of them could be true. Okay, so if for a number of integers to have a sum 0, you can have infinite possibilities, right? You can have, like, if we take an example of let's say 2 n is equal to 2, then you can have infinite combinations of values which can have summation equals to 2. So how will we continue with this one? So let me go with the explanation. Okay, so we are given n is equal to, let's say we have 5. Okay, so what we'll do is we need to create 1 2 3 4 5. We need to create this array, right? Now to find these such random numbers whose summation is equals to 0 is really a little bit difficult, right? If we go on in a random streak. So what we'll do is we will divide this in half. N is equal to n by 2. So in this case n will become 2. Okay, and this we will assign to, let's say, a temp. Okay, and what we'll do is we will have 2 pointers. Okay, just a minute. Okay, we will have 2 pointers. This will be start and this will be end. Okay, what we'll do is we have this value, right? Temp is equal to 2 right now. So from going from like 2 pointers, what we'll do is we'll assign this starting position to a value and the negative of that to the end. Like if we want to give the starting position is 2, this will be -2. If this is -2, then this is 2. But we need to take care that we follow any one of this pattern, either this or this, not both. Okay, so what will happen is let me remove these, and yeah, so what will happen is, let's say I'm taking here -2 and here 2. This is done. Now we'll increment our start and decrement our end, and I will also decrement this temp value. Okay, so temp is now 1. Okay, so this will be -1, this will be 1. Okay, now again I'll decrement. Okay, and this is going to be 0. So if you take the sum of this, it will be 0. -2 2 0, -1 1 0 0 0. So the sum is equal to 0. So this is what we are going to do. Now if you are confident enough that you will be able to code this, then you are free to do that. Okay, and if not, then please continue watching the coding part. So let's start with the code. So first we need our result, we need our array, right? So let me create that. Length is going to be the same as n. Okay, now we will be having 2 pointers. First that will be pointing at start, and next that will be pointing at the end of our array. Okay, now Let's go from start to end, like start less than equals to end, okay, from a while loop where we go towards the center. And what I'll do is result of start that, okay, before that we need to find our temp variable, right? So nothing but n by 2. Okay, so what I'll do is let's assign result of start as minus temp, result of n to temp, will decrement our temp, increment our start, and decrement our end. So our task is done. I'll simply return this result. Let me submit this. Okay, it's that simple. And now one thing that if you are also working with C++, then one thing that you need to take care, the difference that we need to take care of between Java and C++ is that for Java, okay, we can either write this code or I can remove this equal to sign. It won't make a difference, because as soon as I create this array, okay, all the values of this array are set to 0. Okay, but that is not the case when we are working with C++. For C++, when we create a vector or an array, okay, it will not have some initial values, right? You will have to do mem set for that. Okay, so if you don't want to do that kind of thing, then we'll simply give here equals to. Okay, so in that case we won't encounter that problem, and this code can be used in C++ as well. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you like this, and do let me know if you have any other suggestions or queries or doubts for me to solve. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep coding.